Hello, today we will guide you through how to turn off location sharing on Life360. If you want to stop sharing your live location in the Life360 app, this process is quick and straightforward. In this walkthrough, we'll go step by step so you can follow along easily on your own device. To begin, open the Life360 app. Make sure the app is fully loaded and that you're on the main screen before moving forward. If you're a part of more than one circle or group, don't worry. The setting you're looking for can still be accessed from the main app interface. Once the app is open, look to the top left area of the screen and tap on Settings. This is where Life360 keeps the main controls for your account and sharing preferences. Taking a moment here to make sure you've opened the correct menu can help avoid changing the wrong setting by mistake. After that, find and tap on Location Sharing. This section controls whether your location is visible to others in your circle. Depending on your app version or device, the layout may look slightly different, but the wording should remain very similar. Just look for the option labeled Location Sharing and select it. When you're inside that section, turn off the toggle button. This is the key step that stops location sharing. Once the toggle is switched off, your location will no longer be actively shared through Life360. In most cases, the button will change color or move position to show that the setting has been disabled. It's a good idea to pause for a second and confirm that the toggle is definitely off before leaving the page. That way, you can be sure the change has been applied successfully. If the setting does not seem to save right away, give the app a moment to refresh and check again. And that's it. You have successfully turned off location sharing on Life360. Keep in mind that turning this off may affect how other members in your circle see your status or location updates. If you ever want to enable it again, you can return to the same location sharing section and switch the toggle back on. Thanks for following along. This simple change can help you manage your privacy settings more confidently and make sure the app works the way you want it to.